Everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In this video I will tell you about the mic problem in your device Redmi K50 and Gaming Edition. But before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you are having any issue regarding the mic in your device, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the mic problem in your device Redmi K50 Gaming Edition. Let's watch the video and solve the issue.